Alright, so once you put on your headset, it's first going to ask you to create a guardian, which is basically your boundary, your area where you're using your VR. You have to make sure to clear out an area where you're standing so that you're not bumping into stuff and potentially hurting yourself. So you first clear out an area, and then you're going to create a guardian. I've already created mine, but I'll show you how to create it, and it'll automatically tell you to do this when you first put on the headset. But if you want to recreate one, you go to settings here. And also notice I'm holding both of my joysticks as well. But you're going to go to settings and then go to where it says guardian. And then I'll just click adjust guardian. And so now it shows it black for me, but I can actually see my surrounding because it has built-in cameras, but it's going to be black on the recording. So you're just going to click confirm, or well, first you're going to click on the ground on your area, and then you're going to draw it. But you're going to first confirm your level, and then you're going to draw your boundary. So I'm going to draw mine, and then you can click continue, redraw if you want to do it again. But I'm going to press continue, and then you confirm. So now you've drawn your guardian, and you basically set it. So the next thing that we can also change is going to be our view. So right now I can see this is basically my entire home screen, kind of. If I look at the sides, you can see different stuff. But this is where everything happens. So if you want to reset where this is, you also go to settings. And then it's going to be up here under quick actions, and then you're going to click reset view. And so then you just turn, and notice how it's following me now. So you're going to just turn to where it is. If I want to set it here, I'm going to click confirm here, and then it stays here. So if I want to reset it, I'll just click reset view again, and then look where I want it to be, and then I'll click confirm. So I like it there. You can also change your Wi-Fi. You should be able to do this on your phone. But if you want to change it here, you can as well. You can change which network it's on. And those are pretty much the basic settings. You can also adjust your volume. And yeah, so those are all your settings. Or rather, those are the most important settings. And so here, as with your phone, you can also check the battery percentages on your devices. So it shows me the battery percent for my left controller, the battery percent for my headset, 69, and then the battery percent for my right controller, 100%. So that's cool as well, and it'll also notify you when one is low or when one is not paired to your device. And as you can see, I can see both of my controllers, and as I'm moving it in the real world, I can also see it in VR, which is really cool. Alright, so the next thing that we want to look at are apps. So it'll probably prompt you to this app when you first log in, but what we want to do is we want to do this app called First Steps. So there's an app called First Steps, and you can also look at it here on the little smaller screen. It's called First Steps, and it basically allows you to kind of get a grip on VR and kind of look at how to use basically the VR. It's a little demo into the Oculus Quest. So I'm going to click on that, and we'll wait for it to load.
Welcome to Oculus. After this tutorial, you'll be ready to explore. First, let's get familiar with the Guardian system. Look around you. This grid wall is the Guardian system. This grid shows the boundaries of your play area. Don't move or reach beyond it. It's time to learn about your Oculus Touch controllers. Now, try pressing all of the glowing buttons with your thumbs. Try moving the thumbsticks around. The thumbsticks can also be pressed like buttons. Press them in until you feel them click. Next, use your index fingers to squeeze the triggers on your controllers. Locate the grip buttons and squeeze them with your middle fingers. Now let's see what your virtual hands can do. To make a fist, squeeze the grip with your middle finger and hold it down. To point, keep squeezing the grip and just lift your index finger. Now use your index finger to push the button in front of you. To pick up an object, squeeze and hold the grip button with your middle finger. Release the grip button to drop it. Your virtual hands can do just about anything. Go ahead, play with some of these items. Looks like you're getting the hang of it. Here's a few more to try. When you're ready to explore some new VR worlds, insert a cartridge into the console.
So that was the demo with first steps. There are a couple more things you could do with the software, but that was basically the majority of the introduction of what you can do with the VR. Again, it's a really good way to get used to the VR platform and to kind of take a look at stuff. And that'll be all for this one.